Alright, so I missed a few videos of upload because I was busy with school and this happened to my laptop. But anyways, today we are going to the mall and we are going to pick up my first ever Air Jordan 1 High. And if you guys have been updated with the releases, you guys should probably know or have a clue with which one this is. Now, I'm still undecided which pair to wear to the mall because one, I have not worn these at all outside and I want to try them out. And we have a Pharrell that I got at a really good price that I'm going to put out a full review next week. So let's just take the Converse. So today's video is sponsored by none other than no one. But if you guys have been following the channel, we have a new intro. And it's all a huge thanks to Tomas. He is a good friend of mine and I'll put a channel link down below and also his Instagram. And he'll probably accept commission work, but don't expect a reply until like a month later. So again, huge shout out to you, Lee. And a huge thanks, bro. So let's get back to the video. So we're back at home and you guys can see I am very excited to show you guys what's inside this box. And this Air Jordan 1 High of course comes in your typical Air Jordan 1 High box, but it's in a different color scheme. Your usual box is a black and red, you know, a black box with the red logos here. But again, this is a special sneaker and let's get to it. The first thing that you'll notice when you open the box is your tissue paper with the metallic Air Jordan logo, the Jumpman logo, and the years 2001 and 2020. And again, if you've been updated with the releases, this is the Air Jordan 1 High Tokyo. And this is already the second release, I believe, since this is a Tokyo sneaker. Then probably this was released because of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. The original release was, back then at 2001, hence the year in the tissue paper. And you'll also find those years behind the tongue tab. And 2001 was the first year, the first release of this specific colorway, and it was a Japan exclusive colorway. And I believe there were like 3 other colorways besides this one that was released as a Japan exclusive. Now they retroed this for, I think, probably for the Tokyo Olympics. Probably not. But yeah, man, I am just loving this Air Jordan 1. Alright, what I love about this shoe is of course the color blocking. You'll see the metallic gray swoosh and metallic gray back tab, heel cap, something. And also this thing here is also metallic gray. You have the toe box also with that same metallic gray feature. And then all over the shoe on the medial side, on this toe guard, on the lateral side, you'll see a flat gray color. It just, it gives a good vibe to it. It's a clean sneaker. It's a simple yet it's, stands out at the same time, which is really difficult to do. And you also have your white midsole and your typical Jordan 1 outsole. And it's also in that flat gray color. Of course, there's a difference with the original release, and it's probably just a very simple rebranding, because on the original release, the tongue tab has the Jumpman logo, but this one we have the Nike Air logo. Now for the insole of the sneaker, you'll see a Jumpman logo and co.jp. And what I love about this sneaker also is this Air Jordan Wings logo. It has a bubble effect to it. And what's great about this sneaker, I did not have to pay resale for it. Because I got my first ever win. Park Access had a, what do you call that, a raffle to buy, and it was my first time to win. And this is what I got. Of course, I still paid SRP, your retail price. So now I'm thinking if I'm gonna wear it or not. Because for now, I'm probably gonna keep it dead stock. And then after some time, I mean a few weeks, probably a few months, if the resale doesn't really go up that high, then we'll use it. Anyways, I'm not really going out that much, so I'm not really using a lot of my sneakers. So yeah, better keep them dead stock until, you know, prices surge again. Because these are a really, really, really clean sneakers. I love it, and it looks like I can, you know, wear it with anything I want most of the time. So we took an L on those ZX8000 Lego collab. But if you guys can see, I have some Legos there and my usual background over there. That's a Porsche, a Bugatti is somewhere there. And then I have some more Legos up there. So if you guys know anyone that's selling a size 10 ZX8000 Lego, go hit me up. I'm not gonna buy from StockX because shipping wise it's a little bit more expensive. So if you guys know anyone here in the Philippines, go hit me up. Hit me up on my Instagram. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys hit that like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And comment down below, what was your first memorable sneaker? I mean the one that you've been waiting to get for a long time. So, thanks for sticking around and see you guys in the next one. Peace.